how to change country in Amazon app. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can change country in Amazon apps, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, changing country on Amazon app is very simple. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Amazon application here and just make sure that you're signed into the account. Now previously if we went to the three lines option here and then we simply scroll down here under customer option or the settings option, we would be able to find the option to change the country, but now as you can see we don't have such options. So you want to simply come to this little option that you can find over here, and once you come to this option over here, if you look at the top right hand side of the screen, you'll find the little flag icon. So tap on the flag icon and it will show you the country you have currently selected. So you can tap on country or region option, just tap on it and simply select another country that you wish and then tap the done option to save the changes. This way you can basically change country in Amazon app. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.